3 sin beta equal to sin 2 alpha plus beta, then tan alpha plus beta minus 2 tan alpha is. So now let us see which is the correct option. So first of all, what is the given data here? Given 3 sin beta is equal to sin 2 alpha plus beta. Let us consider this as equation 1. Then we need to find tan of alpha plus beta minus 2 tan alpha. Okay, this can be written as tan of alpha plus beta. This minus 2 tan alpha can also be written as minus tan alpha, which is equal to tan alpha plus beta can be written as sin alpha plus beta divided by cos alpha plus beta minus sin alpha divided by cos alpha minus sin alpha divided by cos alpha. Now third term will write as it is. With the first two terms, let us take LCM here. That is cos alpha plus beta. Cos alpha is the LCM here. So in the numerator we left with sin of alpha plus beta into cos alpha minus sin alpha into cos of alpha plus beta minus sin alpha divided by cos alpha. Now numerator we can observe that it is in the form of sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. That is nothing but sin A minus B. Sin A value is alpha plus beta minus B is nothing but alpha divided by cos alpha plus beta into cos alpha minus sin alpha divided by cos alpha. Plus alpha minus alpha gets cancelled. So in the numerator we have sin beta. Now let us take the LCM between these two terms. So if we take cos of alpha plus beta into cos alpha as LCM, so in the numerator we left with sin beta minus sin alpha into cos of alpha plus beta. Now for this term we'll try to multiply and divide by 2. So it becomes 2 sin beta minus 2 sin alpha into cos alpha plus beta divided by 2 cos alpha plus beta into cos alpha. That is equal to 2 sin beta minus, now you can see that we have the formula, that is 2 sin A cos B is nothing but sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. Okay, that is nothing but sin alpha plus beta plus sin alpha minus beta whole divided by 2 cos alpha plus beta into cos alpha, which is equal to 2 sin beta minus sin of 2 alpha plus beta minus sin of plus alpha minus alpha gets cancelled minus beta divided by 2 cos alpha plus beta into cos alpha equal to, which is equal to 2 sin beta minus sin of 2 alpha plus beta. Now one minus is there, sin of minus theta. Sin of minus theta is nothing but minus sin theta. Okay, so minus into minus, it is plus sin beta divided by 2 cos alpha plus beta into cos alpha. That is equal to 2 sin beta plus sin beta, 3 sin beta. Now we can notice that in the question it is already given by equation. By using the equation 1, we can write sine 2 alpha plus beta as 3 times sine beta. That is 3 times sine beta divided by 2 cos alpha plus beta into cos alpha. So 3 sin beta gets cancelled. So 0 by anything, that is equal to 0. Now we have got the value of tan alpha plus beta minus 2 tan alpha is equal to 1. So what is the meaning here? Is equal to tan of alpha plus beta minus 2 tan alpha equal to 0 we got. That means it is independent of alpha, independent of beta, independent of both alpha and beta. Okay. Thank you for watching.